Hi everyone, relationships. That's what we're going to be talking about today, love relationships and everything else. And I have my wonderful client, Elia here, who's fantastic. We've been working together for a very long time. And it's such a nice cooperation because she gets results. She gets, she's very good manifester. And we're working on being ultra mega manifestor, right? That's what we're doing. But she has questions for me to do with relationships today, and I'm here to answer. I don't know what she's going to ask me, so whatever she has for me, I'm just going to, answer the best I can on the spot, as I normally do in my videos. So, what do you have for me, Elia?
Well, first of all, good morning, and thank you so
Hello.
much for taking time. And as you said, we've worked together for several years now, and you have helped me in my life greatly in many, many ways. I think we calculated over 2.1 million revenue opportunities,
Yes,
in
honestly,
revenue
yes.
opportunities, a new house, lots of great things. So my current focus is relationship, personal relationship.
Okay,
I'm
fantastic. Where are we now?
we're looking.
We're looking.
We've had a couple bombed situations recently, and so I thought, you know what, I've got to involve Yana.
Okay, perfect. I'm here. I'm here. I'm going nowhere. Fantastic. Yeah, I love a manifesting relationship. It's awesome. Some clients, 2 hours, 2 weeks. I mean, it's not difficult if you know what you're doing. So throw it my way. What do you think seems to be the problem, or where do you feel being stuck?
I really haven't been able to put a finger on it, and I know that's where you're so great at helping me flesh out kind of what my blocks are and what comes up with those things. I think some of it is patterns. It's very easy
Yeah,
and easy to fall back into comfortable patterns, and
yeah,
where a new and healthy relationship isn't familiar to me. It almost feels unsafe. And then things end up evolving, in a way that they have in prior relationships or in some other way that doesn't end up working out. So,
yeah, yeah.
yeah.
I totally get that. Um, I'm not excluded from that. Sometimes you think you got through stuff and you think I'm golden, and an opportunity comes and you screw up everything you possibly can because you were convinced that you've done your job and everything's fine. And voila, there it is. Yeah, it's like, oh my God, and this and this and this. Oh shit. So I totally get you.
Yeah.
It's a
Yeah.
constant work in progress. It's forever because if you heal he abandons me and he looks at other women and he cheats on me and he does this and he does that, then it goes to he doesn't do the dishes and he doesn't put the socks in the basket. So it's ongoing process forever. Yes,
Right.
but it's there is no you need to take a stock of everything you believe about yourself, men, love, relationships, and the world, which is in my book, Find the Love of Your Life in 30 Days. 30 days, my ass, 2 hours, 2 weeks. And you need to find these five subjects, what you think. You need to write down everything you think about these things, and you need to rewire. So I feel unsafe. I'm afraid he's gonna leave me. He doesn't make me a priority. He doesn't support me emotionally. When I have a strop, he walks out instead of cuddling me. Da 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 da.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm taking notes as I always do. You know how I am.
Yeah.
Would you
So
just really quickly repeat the five categories one more time?
yeah, so you need to take stock of what do I think about myself? And it could be like, I'm so unlucky in love, or men always run away from me, or I'm not, whatever. Men always cheat on me, men always find someone younger, or I'm not meant to have relationships, or I always manifest my father, or always, whatever it is you believe needs to go. So you write down everything you believe about yourself. Then everything you believe about men. They're cheaters, they're heartless, they don't pro give me what I want. They don't support me emotionally. They're cold. They're not loving, or they're hot and cold, or whatever it is you believe. Then, what do you think about love? Love is only in Hollywood movies. Love is too difficult to handle. Love is BS. I don't believe in it anymore because it never worked out for me. Blah, 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 blah. Then relationships as general, any relationship, human to human. I mean, the relationship is you're having a relationship with your cashier. So human to human. What do you believe about people and relationships? People are horrible, people are unkind, people do horrible things to me, blah, 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 blah. And the world slash life. Life doesn't support me, world is a cruel place. There are no decent men left in the world. Where is the chivalry? Why are men not, as they used to be in 30s, 40s last century, when they bring you flowers and they open door for you and they do this and that, uh, why is it so hard, etc., etc., etc. So you take stock of those five categories, and whatever you write as a negative, you have to turn into positive. So you need to rewire. And
Got
you
it.
need to do that before you start looking for men. Because once you find one and you haven't healed, you're gonna repeat the shit show all over again. It's gonna remind you of the last relationship you had because you
Got it.
haven't changed. So why should anyone else?
Got it. Okay. So then once I've written those things out and we've rewritten the positives and really worked through reframing the negatives to positives, then I can start looking for my person, right?
Yeah, it would be a good idea to get a 3-hour session with me or the monthly coaching because I'll be able to find out why you react that way. What have your parents did to you that you feel so unsafe, so unloved, so insecure, so whatever, or abandoned, or hurt, or physically, psychologically, mentally, emotionally? Uh, why? We can remove that. It's not a must to do that to manifest a perfect person, but it fucking helps. Let's be honest.
Certainly
Because
expedites.
the more you metacognition, the more you understand yourself, the more hold you have over what's going on, and the more you can say, "Oh, this is bullshit. I'm not doing this anymore. This new version." Of course, no one abandons me because they wouldn't dare. I'm the best thing which ever happened to them. Why would they abandon me? Duh. But
Right.
you need to be able to see what you're thinking and where you're going with things. And when you stop
Mhm.
yourself, yeah, you're gonna succeed. So then you write the 300 things you want in a person, and let's skip the typical bullshit. He has to be nice. He has to look good. It's like, what the fuck does
Right.
that mean?
Right.
It's like,
Get specific. And that's what I
yeah.
did in our other manifesting work.
Mm,
And also be careful what you ask for.
yeah,
Because when you master manifesting, you need to, it needs to be specific. It needs to be broad, very, very full, very broad. And if you don't, then you're going to manifest exactly what you ask for. And if you forget to ask for something,
I
guess
had
what?
a,
It might
I
not
was
be
so,
there.
I was so funny. We talked about it years ago. I had
Yeah.
a client who did the 300 method, manifested someone next week within a couple of days. So in next week's session, she already manifested someone new. And she said, yeah, but he doesn't satisfy me in bed. I was like, did you put it on list? No, that's the only thing I forgot. There you go.
Exactly. There
There
you
it
go.
is. So,
Yeah.
yeah, you need to put everything, size and lot, onto the sheet,
Yeah.
okay?
And
Otherwise, good
and
luck.
ask for what you want.
Yeah,
There's
yeah.
nothing wrong with asking for you want 6'6", brown hair, blue eyes, charming, gregarious, should be on the 300 list. I mean, it just really should.
Yeah,
So
absolutely. And
Yeah.
why 300? Because you want to go to the daily details of, and he brings me breakfast into
Coffee in the
bed.
morning.
And
Yeah.
when he doesn't make me exactly happy, he brings me flowers and apologizes or whatever. And he's very much a gentleman, and he does open door for me and he takes care of insurance. And when he sees that I'm overwhelmed, he cuddles me instead of, being stroppy. Doesn't do drama, da 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 da, write everything down, every single thing down. When he takes the socks off, he puts them in the bin. Okay.
Yeah.
Our car
Yeah.
is always washed. There's always petrol. I don't have to do the service thing. Yeah,
Yeah.
which I'm a
Yeah.
master at. I could do that for a living. So all these things, all these small things, and yeah, you manifest it, and you're gonna get a perfect person because there's a theory which I think is absolutely mostly true that every person you meet is a perfect one. Depends what you decide to see in them.
Hmm.
So, yeah, you may not be thrilled that they're shorter than you or they're not tall enough or stuff, but you can still manifest the version of them which is perfect for you. So, if you say, okay, you're a narcissist, you only care about yourself, I'm not doing this, you remind me of my mother, go away. No, you're so scared of your mother that you see everyone, you scan everyone for potential danger. And of course, when you say, this is my goal, this is what I want to find out, you will always find it. So you will take a perfect man and turn him into a total narcissist within a couple of months because your brain is looking for things which you consider danger and you
Hmm.
will find them.
Yeah.
You will find them. Although there are no narcissists, there are no bullies. It's all your perception because every person has infinite amount of versions, and you just need to pick the version you want. So no, I don't want you to be angry, nasty, whatever, heartless. No, I want you to be kind, sweet, considerate, secure and very manly, but still very, very, a protector, someone very sweet, someone reliable. So
Hmm.
it really depends what version of any
So
person you choose.
the the 300 list also should be positive.
Oh
None of
yeah.
that should
Well,
be
why
the
would you be
negatives.
looking
You
for
shouldn't,
negatives?
well, you shouldn't say, I don't want someone who cheats. You should
Yes,
say,
I want someone who's totally loyal.
who's totally, so you reframe the 300 has to all be the
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
positive side of, yeah, absolutely.
Well, that's a grand rule of manifesting. Never talk shit. Never say anything negative because when
Yeah.
you say it, you will manifest more of it.
Yeah. And you put it out there, it's coming for you.
He may do something, and it's really, and you have to be on top of it because otherwise it's gonna slip and destroy your relationship. When he has something important to do, he completely drops me and completely forgets me. You feel that once, and you have a choice. You have a choice to make a story forever of it, or you have a choice to say no. He always pays attention to me, and I'm more dear to him than any deal in the world. But that's a reality observed, so this is who he is, you're going to
Hmm.
manifest him the horrible version of that you do not want because you're sealed more and more, it'll cause more problems. And there you go. And just like, okay, I don't want to be with you anymore.
Right.
Well, if
Right.
you spot it and say, okay, it's showing me something I need to change, it's showing me something that he's not making me a priority, although 99% of the time he is making me priority. Okay, this is not working. He makes me priority even when he has important things to do.
Hmm. Yeah.
So you keep doing this, you keep rewiring all the problems or the stuff which is not working out for you, and you're gonna get a perfect person. It's impossible not to.
Yeah.
So hopefully, did that answer your question, how to find
It,
a new
it,
person?
well, it did. So there's my work.
Okay, perfect. You have a homework and a lot. So
Yeah.
that's fantastic. Wonderful. Elia, thank you for showing up. Maybe we'll do it again. It was fun because I'm sure you
Yeah.
don't have far many more questions. And guys, remember there's lots of links in the description of the video where you can find help with me. You can get the 3 hour session I was talking about when we uncover why you're having troubles in your relationships or money. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao for now. Bye bye.
Bye.